Hello and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George Ampadu. Today you're going to learn something about angles. Example 1. Find the value of x. In this figure, this angle x and this angle s minus 25. Answer. Note this before we start. Now, look at this line. The whole of this angle starting from 1 degrees, 1 degree, 2 degrees, 3 degrees, 10 degrees, 50 degrees, up to here is equal to 180 degrees. And here to the total of this angle too is equal to 180 degrees. Look at it very well. Starting from here, 1 degree, 2 degrees, 10 degrees, up to here is equal to 180 degrees. And here, from here to here too is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees plus 180 degrees, the total angle is equal to 360 degrees. Now let's come to the question. This angle x and this angle s minus 25 degrees. So therefore, the combination of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. The combination of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, x plus x minus 25 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now, x plus x is equal to 2x minus 25 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now, we group like terms. We let the algebraic term stay at the left side and we let the constant terms stay at the right hand side. So therefore we send this constant term, 25 degrees to the right hand side of the equal sign. Now note, whenever a term crosses equal sign, note this very well. Whenever a term crosses equal sign, its sign changes. So when it is negative, it changes to positive. And when it is positive, it changes to negative. So therefore, this minus 25 degrees crosses the equal sign. So therefore, when it crosses this equal sign, it becomes positive. So therefore, we get 2s is equal to 180 degrees plus 25 degrees. Now we get 2s is equal to 180 degrees plus 25 degrees is equal to 205 degrees. So therefore, we divide both sides by 2 to get x. So therefore, we divide both sides by 2, here by 2, here by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 102.5 degrees. So therefore, the answer is 102.5 degrees. So this is the end of this video. Please, if you like the video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button so that whenever I make a new video, you get it as soon as possible. And I also have a lot of videos you can look through and see if you'll find some of your liking. Thank you.